Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to search for tags in OneNote. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly locate specific notes, tasks, or important information across your entire notebook without manually browsing through every page. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Wait for everything to fully load before moving forward, as this ensures all your content is properly synced and ready to search through. Once your notebook has been loaded, we can begin the search process. Head to your Home tab, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are displayed. Click on Home to reveal the additional tools available in this section. The Home tab is your main workspace for formatting and organizing content, but it also houses the tag search feature we need. From the Home tab tools, you can directly see the Find Tags icon. This icon looks like a bullet list with a magnifying glass overlay, making it easy to spot among the other options. Simply click on it, and a right side menu will appear on your screen. This menu is your tag summary panel, where all the magic happens for searching and filtering tags. From here, you'll see the tag summary displayed. Click on the drop-down menu to widen your tag search options. This is where you gain control over the scope of your search. The drop-down allows you to specify whether you want to search within the current page, the current section, the current notebook, or across all notebooks. This flexibility is incredibly powerful, especially if you work with multiple notebooks and need to track tags across all of them. Once you've selected your search scope, the results will display all the pages, sections, and notebooks where tags are used depending on the search parameters you've chosen. You'll simply see all tags listed from here, organized in an easy-to-navigate format. Each tag entry will show you exactly where it's located, making it simple to jump directly to that note or task. If you're changing the search action from the drop-down menu, perhaps switching from searching the current section to searching all notebooks, click on Refresh Results at the bottom part of your screen. This updates your search and ensures you're seeing the most current and accurate results based on your new criteria. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search for tags in OneNote, giving you quick access to all your tagged content across your notebooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.